Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix enter administrator password or power on password and reset forgotten HP laptop BIOS password. Go to biosbug.com. Click HP laptop BIOS unlock. Type the key including I. Type the code to unlock. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.